This is how to play bawo ndilahlekayo. I don't know the original key of the song, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So it says bawo ndilahlekayo ngoluhambo Okay, it's quite easy, so let's break it down. It starts right here on C sharp major second inversion, also known as our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. Okay, from here it goes to 6. Okay, you just move your thumb from G sharp to A sharp. Okay, and then there's a 6. All right, remember it's 1 second inversion. From 1 it's 6 and then 5. Okay, this is 5 right here, our G sharp major chord. From 5 it goes right here to 2, or you can call it a D minor, D sharp minor. From a D sharp minor it goes to C sharp major first inversion. Okay, I hope you saw it, so I'm gonna sing it. It says bawo first chord ndilahlekayo, and then ngoluha na 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 na. Okay, remember to play it with me so that you don't lose the timing of the song. Okay, for the last time, na 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 na. Okay, so just on that part we're gonna introduce the bass. So when you hit the first chord on the right, on the left you go to 1, na 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 na. When you go to 6 on the right, also on the left you go to 6, and then you go to 5, and then you stay there until na 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 na. Okay, you only shift when you go to number 1 on the right. Okay, so you're gonna move to the other part, the part that says na na na. Okay, so it starts right here as well on C sharp major second inversion. So by the way, if you want to learn all these things, just send me a message on WhatsApp. Here's my WhatsApp number up there to join our private community. The price is 1,500 and it's a one-time payment. Okay, if you don't know the major chords, the minor chords, the slash chords and all those things, just send me a message on WhatsApp. Here's my WhatsApp number up there. All right, so it starts right here on our number 1. From number 1 it goes to 2. From 2 it goes to 1 again. Okay, Shalundi. I hope you saw it for last time. Shalundi, and then from here it's gonna say okay, it's not difficult. So it's ba 1 2 1 1 2 1 4 1 2 again 1 2 1. Let me do it slow. 1 2 1 4 1 2. Okay, and then from here it's gonna go to Okay, mayenze. Okay, so it's gonna say 1, 2, 4. Okay, it's 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 4. Sorry, 4, 5, 2, 2, 1. Again for the last time. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so if you want to know why this chord is our number 2, just send me a message on WhatsApp to join our private community. Okay, so on that part we're gonna introduce the bass. When you say Salundi, on the left you're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, la, 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 la. And then you go to 4 when you hit 4. Okay, it's la, 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 la. Then you go to 5 when you hit 4 right here. Okay, this is a slash chord, by the way. It's 4/5 because you are holding 4 on the right, and then on the left you are holding 5. And then from here you're gonna stay on number 5 on the left, and then on the right you're gonna say 4, 5, 2, 2. Okay, when you hit number 2 for the second time, you go to 1 on the left, and then you close the song. Okay, I believe you saw it. I'm gonna play the whole song for the last time. Bawo. Okay, sorry, I started like this. Bawo ndilahlekayo. Right? I believe you saw it, guys. Until we meet again, God bless you.